So now we are going to solve this question that says f of x is equal to 2x squared plus 10. So in this case, the first move is to find f of x plus h, which means that we are going to substitute x here with x plus h. 2 is already there. Then we have our x, which is x plus h. Then this square is also there, plus 10. So now, we can use simple method, normal traditional way to expand this without using Pascal triangle. So that is by numerical expansion theorem. So now, here we can say that x plus h squared is something as we have x plus h times x plus h. X times x here we have x squared. X times h we have plus what? H times x here we have again x times h we have what? X squared. This becomes x squared, this plus this becomes what? 2x since they are the same bar plus what? X squared. So now this now is equivalent to this. Now say that here our f prime of x equals to lim as h approaches to 0 go. Here becomes what? We said, oh please, I'm sorry. We have f of x plus h in this case become what? With this place we have 2. This becomes this. We have what? X squared plus 2xh plus what? H squared times plus what? Plus 10. Now this becomes what? 2 times x, we have 2x squared. This time this plus 4xh. This time this plus 2h squared plus 10. This is our f of x plus h. So now, from here we can say that now our f prime of x equals to what? Now, f of x of we have lim as h approaches to 0. We have f of x minus plus h, this 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared plus 10 minus our f of x, which is this go, which is 2x squared plus 10 all over h here. As the f prime of x, as we lim h approaches 0, becomes now 2x minus 2x squared 0 go. 10 minus 10, 0. I mean this cancel out this. No, please, sorry, we have to open this in bracket, please, sorry. Here we have 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared plus 10 minus plus minus 2x squared minus plus minus 10 all over h. Please, this is the kind of mistake that people normally make while solving this kind of question, because we need to put f of x inside brackets so that the minus sign will affect all the terms. Now, we have f prime of x here becomes what? We lim as h approaches 0, 2x squared minus 2x squared 0. This cancels out this. 10 minus 10 again. Remaining what? 4xh plus 2h squared all over h. We have f prime of x equals to lim as h approaches 0. This h belongs to this one, also belongs to this one, go becomes what? 4xh over h plus 2h squared over h. Why? Because this h belongs to this. So we divide h1 with h here. H cancels out h in this case because I have minimum one h here. This means that f prime of x equals to lim. We have lim up h equals to 0 equals 4x plus what? 2h. This becomes something like this. It becomes something like this here. We said f prime of x equals to what? Now it's equivalent to, remember, h up to 0 for lim as h up to 0 into 4x plus what? 2 times 0. F prime of x equals what? 4x. This is our final answer for this question. So now we will use the same first principle to derive the first derivative of this question. Now, the first thing here we are to find the value of f of x plus h, which is, we said f of x plus h here is equivalent to what? E to the power of, with x is replaced with x plus h go. Remember this, please. So now, then we bring the formula that says f prime of x is equivalent to what? Lim as h approaches what? 0, f of x plus h minus f of x go all over h. Meaning this one is this, we said e to the power of x plus h minus our f of x go e to the power of x all over our h. So now, remember that e to the power of x plus h here, when following the first law of indices, multiplication rule is something as here we said e to the power of x times e to the power of h. When we have the same base but different exponent, we sum up the exponent or the index go. So meaning we can replace this factor or this factor here, this here becomes lim as h approaches to 0. We replace this with they are equal into e to the power of x times e to the power of h minus what? E to the power of x all over h. So now e to the power of x here is common, meaning we can factor 1 out. This leaves us with lim as h approaches to 0. We factor 1 out here, it becomes e to the power of x bracket. Now remember this, e to the power of h minus, here we leave it as 1. Because this time this will give us this time this will give us back 1 all over h. So now here we can bring this down back here, e to the power of x times what? Lim as h upon 0 of e to the power of h minus 1 all over h. This is the limit of this. We are calling the rules of limit. This here is equivalent to 1. Then when we use Taylor series, it will give us also x here times 1 equals what? E to the power of what? Of x. Is our final question for this very question.
Yeah.